linear programming part 2. Let's take a look at the second part of this topic that says graphical solution of simultaneous linear inequality. So in this section, we'll be given some inequalities and then region. For example, let's start with number 1 as they are in order. So in this, to come up with this solution, you have to draw a Cartesian plane like this one, and start with the very simplest inequality, which is actually inequality number 1. So the inequality number 1 is saying x is greater than or equal to -1. So here, it's just a matter of locating where there is a -1 on the, we're going to draw a line passing where there is -1 on the x-axis. So this is our x-axis and this is our -1. Definitely we're going to draw a vertical line. So we are going to draw a vertical line here. So as you can see, the line is solid. We are going to draw a solid vertical line crossing on -1. So this is literally an equation of x is equal to -1. But which side are we supposed to shape? The annotated part. That means the side that is not being said in an inequality. So our inequality is telling us that x is greater than or equal to -1. So the numbers that are greater than or equal to -1 are the numbers that are on the right hand side. So starting from here, going this side, they are the numbers that are greater than -1. But the numbers that are less than -1, those ones are not needed. They are unwanted. Therefore, we are going to shape this side. So this is the shaded side. It's saying y is greater than or equal to -4. So this one as well, we are going to locate where there is -4 in y-axis. So like this. So this is y is equal to -4. It's inequality as well, as you can see, it's saying greater than -4. So the numbers that are greater than -4 are those that are up here. And the numbers that are less than 4, they are the ones that are not needed. So we're going to shape that side. And let's go to inequality number 3. Since this one is going to be a linear inequality or linear equation. When x is -2, our y is 0, so this is line. So we can just connect these 2 points and try to extend the lines. Now, where are we supposed to shape? So as you can see, y is less than 2x plus 4. Actually, they consider this line. Consider the inequality symbol. This line is supposed to be dotted. That means we have to have a dotted line or block in another way. Shaping of this line, we are going to consider 2 regions. This line alone has 2 regions. This region and that region. So we can just choose the 2 points on each region. Here we have coordinates. Here we have 3, -3, we have 6. So we are going to try to use try and error method if the coordinates are going to tell us the fact about that side. So we're going to substitute -3 where there is x here, and 6 where there is y. So if we substitute here, we're going to have 6 is equal to positive 1. The inequality is telling us 6 is less than 1. So if we have seen that our inequality is telling us 6 is less than 1, but then in true essence 6 cannot be less than 1, that means the side that we have taken our coordinates, that side is lying to us. Therefore, that side is unwanted. So we are going to shade this side. As well as this one too, we are going to draw positive 6. When x is 3, our y is 0. So this is here. So we're going to connect these points. So where are we supposed to shade now? So shading process is going to reflect this one as well. So we have to allocate 2 points. We can take is really less than or equal to 6. That means this region is telling us the truth, otherwise this region is not true. Therefore, we are going to shade the unwanted region which is not telling us the right thing. So this is how we can solve, we can draw and come up with a region. You can label this region as M or any letter. So let's go to example number 2. You can always pause the video and try to solve it. So it's saying sketch the region described by the following inequalities by shading unwanted region. So we have first inequality y is less than or equal to 3, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, and x minus y is less than 4. So we can always start with the simplest one, which is number 1. So here, like we have already seen in example 1, we are going also to consider the value that the line is going to cut. So as you can see, if we can try to transform this one to become as an equation, we can literally say y is equal to 3. That means this line is cutting where there is 3 on the y-axis. So we are going to draw a horizontal line on the y-axis where there is 3, that's positive 3. So we are going to draw a horizontal line. That's it. So this is it. Y is equal to 3. Now, where are we going to shade? So same as in previous example, we are going to consider the symbol. The symbol is saying less than or equal to. So less than or equal to just because that's why we have come up with the solid line. And the side that is going to be shaded is unwanted region, which is not being taken in this inequality. So this inequality is talking about the numbers that are less than 3. So those numbers are here from 3 going downwards. So this is the wanted region. Those are that are greater than 3. So those ones, they are at the region which is not important. So we are going to shade that region. So we are shading the numbers that are greater than 3. So we are done with that. When we come here as well, we are going to use the same idea that we are supposed to come up with the table value. positive 3, that's here. When x is half, 1.5. Yeah, so this inequality as well, we are going to apply the same rules that we have done. Otherwise, this region is unwanted. Otherwise, we can change this region. So shading, about shading, we can just choose any point and coming up with the coordinates on that point. So we have chosen this region and here, this is the coordinates of this point are 3, positive 3 and positive 2. That's x and y. We can try to substitute them in here. So when you substitute 3 here minus 2 here, you're going to find 1. So indeed 1 is less than 4. Therefore, it's telling us the truth. Otherwise, the other region is wrong. Therefore, we are going to shade that region just because it's unwanted. So that's marked the end of our inequality topic. And please check, try to solve the given practical questions. Okay.